What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video for Broke Gang Garage. I know I'm not Juan, but I'm his cousin, and we're here at the Muffler Shop with Miguel and Mr. Muffler.
What's up? We got the baby CORSA ready to put on.
We're gonna put a CORSA in here. They convinced me to spend money on this shit.
I convinced me.
Well, as you guys seen on the previous video, we were doing the LS up on the C10. The guys know as the 6.0 soft C10. As you can see, it's coming off the long tubes, and then he ended up going with this, the X pipe, and then the CORSA. Well, what series is it?
This is the Pro Series.
The Pro Series.
So you're gonna do equal length, right?
Equal length. 3-inch V-bend for the header. X-pipe in the middle. Straight to the CORSA.
To some side. On each side.
4.5 to 4.5.
There you go.
Do something about right there. Nice and clean.
Yeah, I can see the whole truck right there.
So yeah, so Johnny wanted kind of loud exhaust, and you said it was pretty loud, right?
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be loud. The truck, we're gonna try to get a video of it idling, but it struggles to this. Hopefully after the exhaust sounds a little better, and we'll get a time lapse of the exhaust getting done, and we'll get a sound clip at the end. You already know the best muffler shop, American Muffler. Right, Johnny?
I haven't been here, but I think they will be.
So this is he uses dash truck, little C10. It's pretty clean. Pretty clean little truck. American Muffler.
What's up? Ready?
Yeah.
All set and done. Come on, let's check it out. So we got a long tube header going on, fully stainless steel. We got some V-bend so we can remove it, take it apart. 3-inch piping, the next pipe, equal length. We go all the way to some CORSA. Check the CORSAs right here. CORSA. Yeah. We got 3-inch over the axles, all the way to some 4.5-inch tips. Last thing, where it happened.
Yes, sir. So, if you ever need exhaust, I know where to come. What's your address, bro?
Huh?
What's your address?
Muffler, 212 East Northside Drive in Fort Worth, right by the stock here.
Phone number?
817-999-8539.
So, you like your exhaust?
I haven't heard it, bro.
No, you like how it looks.
I like how it looks and it's in itself.
I like our exhaust. I think check it out.
Hey.
Alright guys, so hopefully there's not too much sunlight, but I'll turn it around this way. Oh, got our nephew right here. I'm gonna be nosy. I'll come outside. Anyways guys, so forgot to record the outro on the truck. Obviously I wasn't there whenever we got the exhaust done, but the truck is done, and the truck didn't want to stay on because it was misfiring in cylinder 7 or 6? Yeah, so cylinder 6 on that side. But it was just a bad coil. We had some backups, so we just swapped it out, and now it actually turns on. Here. Well, it turns on. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna stay on. Hold on. Let me get to the back. Yeah, so as I can see, the trick does sound a whole lot better, but it does need a final retune. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know, the exhaust. Like I said, this will be it for today's video. Hopefully y'all can hear me. And I hope y'all really like the exhaust in the truck. In person, it sounds amazing. You know, it's the first time I heard it, it was crazy, but they did a really good job. So, like I said, if y'all ever need custom exhaust work, y'all know who to hit up. If you're in the DFW area, you know, hit up our boy Jesus. But yeah, he'll get you right. See if we can hear it. Hold on. Like I said, it's me for today's video. Hopefully y'all can hear me, maybe. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, and share the video please, so that way we can get more content out for you guys. And let us, like I said, let us know if you liked it. The next video is coming up. Like I said, the truck will be getting tuned here soon. I'm not sure when, but here soon. And then, yeah, like I said, maybe we're gonna put it on my slick from LBS, but I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Yeah, until next time, guys.